if y'all notice, LeBron's always been chase down block.
Yeah.
And I think somewhere they had a code name for it, where all LeBron wanted you to do as his teammate was just run in front of the ball and just run through the offensive player.
Right.
Just run through him and make him do something. Just make him give me a split second and I'm coming to clean it up. When Steph, I got the rebound, pushed it. I probably should have kept going, but I hit Steph to do 2-on-1 and then he bounces it back. I'm like dunk on his head. When I go up, he do my strip to where he would have stripped it if I would have dunked it.
Right.
So I had to move it.
Right.
And now I'm like, man, what you just say, man? Ain't nobody scoring.
Right.
Man, just put the ball, just lay it right there, and don't try to do nothing stupid.
Right.
Just lay it in. And it was one of the loudest sounds I ever heard. Boom. And when it happened, I was like, damn, what just happened? I didn't even know he blocked it, but I heard boom, and I was like, man, that was cold. Like I was really, it was like a fan moment. I was like, man, that was beautiful. When he blocked the shot, I'm like, God dang, that was amazing.